guys to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Axial SCX24. So they do come in two different colors. You got your white one, your yellow one. Like I said, white and yellow. All right, let's see what else we got on the box. Required to complete, it says nothing. Everything's included in the box, so that's pretty cool. You got your front and rear diffs that have worm gears. So I'm guessing that's if you're gonna be braking on a slope, it'll probably keep it from rolling. Then you get your steel C-channel. That's the same platform of the 10 scale. All right, let's open this guy up. Ooh, that looks cool. All right, let's see what else they got. So you got your manual. Ooh, you got batteries too. That's pretty cool. Then you got some extra parts, clip. And you got your charger, so it's a USB charger. So you got your flip up screen right here. And your on off. Guessing that's for the steering. And then you got your dual rate. And then you got your speed, low, medium, and high. And then you got your reverse channels. So all right, so here we are. Oh, that looks so nice. Man, some pretty big tires for a little guy. Sweet. Let's see how it opens up. Oh. Okay, so it has like a little hinge. So you got your battery. And then you got your on-off switch. That's where you plug the battery in. Got a little servo up there. And then you got a small little motor. Alright, let's see what kind of battery it is. 2S 350. Pretty cool. Let's plug in the battery. Turn this guy on. Alright guys, that's it for today. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to see more cars. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time.